Hi, my name is Michael Barimo, and I'm an angle expert. Today I will be teaching you all about angle measurements in circles. Come on in. Hello, students.
Morning, teacher.
Morning.
As you can see, we have two math students in training. They will work out some example problems for us. But before we get to that, I have a few terms you guys need to know. A secant is a line that intersects a circle at 2 points. A chord is a segment that connects 2 points in a circle. A tangent is a line that intersects a circle at only 1 point. The tangent is always perpendicular to a radius. Also, you guys need to know that an intercepted arc is the arc of the circle between two lines that intersect it. So basically it is the arc between an angle. Okay, class, there are four main types of angle measurements you guys need to know. But we'll start with central angles. Central angles are angles with the vertex in the center of a circle. This is what it looks like, everyone. The angle of a central angle always equals the same amount of its intercepted arc. Also, we have inscribed angles. Inscribed angles have its vertex on the circle. Inscribed angles are always half of its intercepted arc. We also have angles formed inside the circle. The vertex is inside the circle. The formula to find this angle right here would be add the both intercepted arcs and divide by 2. So in this case it would be 40 plus 50 equals 90 divided by 2 is 45. Lastly, we have angles where the vertex is formed outside of the circle. Now, in this case, we subtract the large arc off the small arc, which would give us 40, and divide by 2. Okay, students, I have some example problems for you. First, we will work these two out in class, then you will each have two that you need to answer. So, it says, find the measure of this central angle. Now, since that is 300, who knows what that would be? Kenny?
60.
Good. And since central angles always equal the measure of its intercepted arc, the x would equal 60. Also, now this is where the angles are formed inside. So we have 60 plus 40 equals what?
100.
Good. And then you divide that by,
2.
and that would give you this.
50.
And just a thing you class need to know is that formula or angles formed inside the circle are always vertical angles. Now you each have two example problems you need to start working out. Ask me if you have any questions. Yes, Emma? Yes?
I don't know how to do this.
Well, you see, now you already have this angle, so you're going to have to reverse the formula, right? So first, since the formula is large arc minus small arc divided by 2, you have this, so you're going to times 30 by 2 and you get 60. And then you see 100 minus what equals 60. And then you'd have 100 minus, yeah. And then so that would equal 40, because then you would just solve from there. Do you see how it is now?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, now try to work this out.
30.
It says it's a central angle. No, wrong. Because this is an inscribed angle, don't you see? And inscribed angles are always half of the intercepted arc. And so since these both share the same intercepted arc, it's a central angle, as it says up there. So this would equal 60. Good. Kenny, have any questions?
I'm stuck on the second one.
Well, how'd you do the first one?
The first one I added 200 plus 100 to get 300.
Very good.
Subtracted that from 360 to get 60 and divided by 2 to get x equals 30.
And you know that because the circumference of a circle is always 360 degrees.
That's
And
right.
then after that, it's just the formula by dividing by 2.
Yes.
Now, you said you had a problem on this one, right?
Right.
So, you know the formula for this is both arcs divided by 2. So 100 plus 150 is 250. And divided by 2 is
125.
125. And so you know that this would be 125, right?
Right.
And since I said these are vertical angles, you know this is 125.
Right.
And so since this is 100 equals 180 degrees, you know 180 minus 125 will equal your x.
55.
Very good. Now, students, I hope you have a better understanding of angles and circles after today's lesson. And I hope you apply them to your math skills. Thank you.